Today we're going to be working our way through the body, washing away any pain or tension with a peaceful, healing light. First, let's get comfortable in a seated position or lying down. If you're sitting, bring your back up nice and straight, supporting your head high and light. If you're sitting up in a chair, make sure your feet are nice and flat on the floor. You can rest your hands wherever feels comfortable and natural to you. Once you're settled, connect with how the ground is supporting you, cradling you with its strength. If you haven't yet done so, close your eyes and we'll take 5 deep breaths to take us down into a state of relaxation. When you're inhaling, I want you to let your stomach rise so that your whole body is being filled with the air. And when you exhale, let your stomach collapse down into relaxation, each time going deeper. So now we'll inhale into the stomach and then exhale, letting it drop. Inhale, feeling your stomach rise, and exhale, releasing everything. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale all the way down. Inhale and exhale, letting everything flood away. Now just let your breath go back to its own natural rhythm and imagine a colour that seems soothing to you. It'll be different for everyone. It might be a life-giving green, a cool blue, a warm red, a bright yellow, any colour that feels relaxing to you. Now bring your attention to your toes. Imagine a light of your soothing colour coming up out of the ground, fluid, and just lapping over your toes. As it laps at your toes, it relaxes them, makes them feel open, spreading apart, letting go of the tensions of standing and walking. Now let the light gently wash up into the arches of your feet, tickling over them and coming up over your heels. It's like your feet are in a bowl of healing, soothing water. Now let that colour wash with relaxation slowly inch up to your calves. Notice any tension and let the light shine into your calves, letting it go. And now feel as the relaxing wave inches up your legs, up your shins to your knees. Your knees are now being healed by this relaxing light washing into them, making you feel good and whole. Take a moment to truly feel the warmth and softness in your knees, filled with soothing light. Slowly, the light works its way up to your thighs, Our thighs can be so tense from so much walking and activity. Let that light shine into them, relaxing them, letting go. And slowly the light moves further up to your hips and your seat. Feel it seeping slowly into your core, so relaxing, taking away all the tension. The soft embrace of the light keeps you safe, nurturing you. Now feel the light working its way up to your belly and your lower back. These areas can hold so much tension and feel so much discomfort. But we have the light now, and the light is there for you. It's seeping into them. It's washing in, breaking down barriers, relaxing you, easing your muscles. Take a few breaths here, feeling the light in your belly, your lower back, and extending down your legs all the way to your feet. The light now gently moves up to your chest that's breathing in and out. With every breath, the light is sucked into you. Its wonderful soothingness relaxing all the muscles around your ribs, over your shoulder blades and up to your shoulders. Doesn't it feel good to feel the light seeping into your shoulders? We hold so much tension there, but it's time to let it go. And the light is here to help you do that. Let your breath welcome it in. Now feel the light washing up your neck, relaxing all those muscles that do such an amazing job for your head. Offer them compassion and love from that light. Let the light seep into your jaw. Your jaw can feel tight from the things we say, the things we try not to say. That compassionate light is there for you here too. It washes into your jaw and allows it to just be here. The light is now moving up over your nose to the muscles around your eyes. Feel the light shine into those muscles, letting your eyes sink into peacefulness, giving you love and acceptance. And then let the light go up through your forehead, your third eye, to the top of your head. Feel this soothing light relax all the muscles of your scalp. You're now a being of light. You're filled with this wonderful, fluid, compassionate and loving light. Does anywhere still seem to hold some tension? Make the light a little denser there. Wash it gently through that area. Let that area come back into the fold of relaxation. You're a beautiful being of light, and you're just as you should be, right here, right now. Well, you beautiful being, it's time to come back to the room. I want you to just wriggle your fingers a little bit, wiggle your toes. Feel yourself being here in your environment, still filled with light. If you want to, you could take a big stretch. If you raise your arms up, feel the light shining out of your fingers, making you into a star of light. Wherever you are right now, feel good as embodied light. And keep that feeling with you as you move forward into your day or welcome the embrace of a restful sleep.